Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams, and this is Case or No Case. How well do you know the law? We're going to find out. My friend Jeff Pitman from PKSD Law Firm is here. How you doing, Jeff?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Well, I want to remind people to come to our website, pksd.com, request their T-shirt. We're giving away thousands of them, so we want to give away more.
A hot commodity for sure.
There we go. So you are getting your boat out of the water. It's getting to be winter months.
Right.
And so you are going to transport it to your garage, so that's where you're stored during the wintertime. You put it on your boat trailer, and this is during the day. So you're driving it along, and you come to a stop sign. A car behind you ends up hitting the boat, striking it into the car. Turns out your brake lights on the trailer didn't work. So case or no case against the driver who hit you from the rear without you having operational taillights.
Well, with that last little note, no brake lights, I would say no case.
Probably a case.
Really?
Yeah, for a couple of reasons. So during the day, you don't actually have to have operational taillights on that trailer, number one. Number two, whenever you're driving behind somebody, you can't follow too closely. You should be able to see ahead of you as somebody's decelerating, so probably a case.
Always great information. And remember, if you ever have a question, just dial the 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee. We'll see you next time.